If you don't like rainy days but still want to have fun with your dog, give these indoor activities a try. Ready to make your pup's day? Did you know that just 15 minutes of play can boost your dog's mood and behavior? Yep, a little bit of quality time goes a long way. Many of us struggle to keep our dogs active and mentally stimulated indoors, right? Whether or not, I've got some cool ideas. First up, interactive games. Ever tried hide and seek? Have your dog stay in one room while you hide in another, then call them to find you. It's a sniff-tastic brain workout. Next, DIY toys. Create a puzzle feeder with a muffin tin and tennis balls. Place treats in the tin, cover them with balls, and watch your dog figure it out. Treat time just got smarter. Training exercises are also a blast. Teach new tricks like roll over or play dead. It's fun and strengthens your bond. And how about a mini obstacle course? Use chairs, cushions, and blankets to set up a fun course right in your living room. Physical and mental challenges galore. Highlight time, the classic game of tug-of-war. Grab a sturdy rope toy and let the fun begin. Remember to give breaks and let them win sometimes. It's great for bonding and behavior. To wrap up, from interactive games to DIY toys, these activities will keep your dog happy and entertained at home. If you enjoyed these tips, check out our other videos for more dog care fun. Drop your favorite activities in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.